ZK Auto Review is your go-to channel for in-depth automotive insights, bringing you the latest reviews, specifications, and features of the newest vehicles on the market. Today, we take a close look at the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse, a three-row SUV that continues to impress with its combination of space, performance, and technology. The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse has been redesigned to offer a more modern and bold appearance. Its aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines make it stand out on the road. The SUV sits on larger alloy wheels, and the overall design reflects Chevrolet's latest approach to blending style with practicality. Under the hood, the 2025 Traverse is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, replacing the older V6. This engine produces around 315 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, offering improved fuel efficiency while maintaining strong performance. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and responsive driving experience. Front-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is available for those who need extra traction. Inside, the Traverse boasts a spacious and well-appointed cabin. The three-row seating layout ensures plenty of room for passengers, with comfortable materials and premium finishes enhancing the experience. A massive 17.7-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, featuring Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster adds a high-tech feel, and features like a Wi-Fi hotspot, multiple USB ports, and an upgraded sound system provide entertainment and connectivity for all passengers. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Traverse, with Chevrolet including an extensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technology includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add features such as a 360-degree camera system, hands-free driving with Super Cruise, and enhanced parking assistance. The 2025 Traverse offers a well-balanced ride, with a suspension tuned for comfort and stability. Whether driving in the city or on long highway journeys, the SUV remains composed and quiet, making it an excellent choice for families and road trips. The cargo space is generous, with the ability to fold down the rear seats for added practicality. If you are looking for a versatile, tech-packed, and stylish three-row SUV, the 2025 Chevrolet Traverse is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews on the latest cars, and if you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to ZK Auto Review for more updates on the newest vehicles in the market.